Today we're focusing on balancing chemical equations. Our objective is to be able to identify unbalanced or balanced equations, learn what the reactant and product are, and balance the chemical equations correctly. Now let's balance the chemical equation. Now, is this equation balanced or unbalanced? It's unbalanced. It's unbalanced because there are two hydrogens over here, two oxygens over here, but only one oxygen over here. In order for a chemical equation to be balanced, there has to be the same amount of elements on each side of the equation. So, in order to balance it, we have to write out, well, it makes it easier to write out how many elements are on each side of the equation. So for the reactant side, we have two hydrogens, two oxygens. On the product side, we have two hydrogens and one oxygen. So to balance it, we need two oxygens over here. Keep in mind we cannot change the subscripts. We can only add numbers over here that will multiply the subscripts. So to get two oxygens over here, we have to put a 2 here. So now we have two oxygens, which adds up to this two oxygens over here. But now since we added this 2 over, 2 times 2 is 4. So now on the product side, we have 4 hydrogens. And now that does not match up with the hydrogens on the reactant side. So it's still unbalanced. So if we put a 2 here, 2 times 2 equals 4, making 4 hydrogens over here, 4 hydrogens over here, 2 oxygens over here, 2 oxygens over here, creating a balanced equation. So, what we've learned is we've learned how to tell if an equation is balanced or unbalanced by the numbers on each side of the reactant and the product side. We've learned what the reactant and the product are, and we've learned how to balance chemical equations correctly. Thank you.